First, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations to Brigadier General Niembra for his successful tour of duty as the outgoing PSG commander. Under his steady and unwavering leadership, the PSG was able to provide security to me and my family and around 19 foreign and 1,250 local engagements, as well as full protection of their heads of state and ambassadors during their visits at Malacañang. Moreover, the PSG was able to secure our safety during the 2019 elections, the third and fourth State of the Nation address, and the 30th Southeast Asian Games, and the first presidential silent drill competition.